The trial of the former Culpeper County Sheriff accused of accepting bribes in exchange for badges while in office was geared up to start today, but a medical emergency prevented Scott Jenkins from showing up in court. The judge thus delaying proceedings. Maggie Glass is live outside the federal courthouse in downtown Charlottesville with the latest. Good evening, Maggie.
That's right, Steve. Lawyers on both sides met just minutes ago. The defense says that Jenkins drove himself to the hospital today. The judge has ordered that Jenkins show papers to prove this. He needs to bring those to court tomorrow. The trial will not begin until at least Thursday. Jenkins is accused of accepting more than $70,000 in both cash and campaign donations. In exchange for the money, prosecutors say Jenkins swore in different businessmen as auxiliary. Tim Hafey is a former prosecutor for the Western District of Virginia and notes a few striking things about the case laid out in released court documents. One is that the prosecution has an informant on its side.
That person is going to testify, has pled guilty in exchange for the hope of a more lenient sentence.
Second is that there are 3 other former co-defendants who have all accepted plea agreements.
It's only Sheriff Jenkins who is alone now at that defense table.
And third, there are federal agents geared up to testify.
Have FBI agents acting undercover that engaged in an allegedly illegal transaction with the sheriff.
Since the charges were made against Jenkins, he has remained steadfast in his innocence, taking this case to trial and leaving his fate up to the hands of the jury. The potential jurors were originally told to come back to court tomorrow. That has now been pushed until Thursday, pending Jenkins' condition. Live in Charlottesville, Maggie Glass, 29 News at 6.